Bishop Pickles the guys in. Is that right?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Hi. You are bitches. Hi.
Man.
You're a secure cheetah, big enough. Pickles the Cajun.
Yeah.
Shake up your body, girl.
Alright, so I'm outside at the Mubarak Twin Circuit, and I'm late to the carnival because Mr. Jamaica I don't know about time. So go inside, check out the carnival, and then people will tell us how this hour going to go to thing, you know what I mean?
We back in Japan next year, you see we? Ladies, that costume expensive and it look good. Take a wine in it now. It's hot. If you showered before you went on the road, put your hand in the air. If you know you're smelling good in the sun, put your hand in the air. You're smelling good this carnival, hand in the air. Somebody sing. Thank you. Sing. I'm not coming to work today. Anybody went on sick leave to come to Japan for Carnival? Put your hand in here. Anybody getting paid to be in Japan? Tell them I'm not doing one ras. Sing. I out on it. That is it, Brockfoot. Yeah, Brockfoot. Sing out on. Big up Brockfoot. Brockfoot. Sing. Holiday. Today's a holiday. I'm not going to work today. Holiday. Today's a holiday. I don't care what nobody say. I'm not doing the work today.
Put the arching about. My gal, put the arching about.
Masqueraders is very simple. Here what we gonna do, right?
Arching about. Put the arching about.
Ladies, put a arch in your back.
Put the arching about. My gal, put the arching about. Your body look good and you don't give a fuck. Have a reputation, not to kill them with you up. And tonight ain't no different. So prepare for the funeral call. Confident they can choreograph this thing. You well rehearsed and you can perform.
What the fuck?
Sweet girl showing off this thing. When you close back the bubble, just sort it.
Stop it. I don't know about y'all, but I'm seeing some potential with this wall over here.
Of course.
Everybody first.
And the boom boom one.
This is the Japan boom boom wall. This is the Japan boom boom wall. Say for us. Hey, I'm not coming to on the boom boom wall right there. On the boom boom wall right there. On the boom boom wall right there. This is man versus boom boom wall. We in Japan on the boom boom wall. We on the boom boom wall. We on the boom boom wall. This is Carnival in Japan. For the first time.
My friends. Hi, Grace.
1, 2, 3, jump!
Don't care what people say, can't bother we at all. No matter what they do, I never see it fall. Don't care what people say, can't bother we at all. Soca, no matter what they do, we not care what them say. That's why we do it. We not care what you do. Just them move and look out. We not care what them say. That's why we do it.
Who went to every party this weekend? Put your hands up. Bye.
sweating. So position it in time with your feet. You're looking beautiful. Say, I'm getting a dirty feeling. Say, if you come with your strutting, what's a leave from your man? Place it ready to shake up. We have been single until this party over. And they won't come over. So paint Japan. Put your hands to the air one time, one time. Up in a party all night. Bounce in, bounce in. Say, walk it back and then roll it. Up in a party all night. Rolling a vibe. Bounce it, bounce it. Audience purple. Give me the drink, take a hook. Give me the pints and a drop. We never take it long. Hey, why not let them see? Say, one big family. Can I this? Why not let them see? Love and unity. One big family.
Alright, so out here, boom, Soca in Japan, Mobala Chiba. Right there, so on the Mobala circuit. The truck starting up again. It's a crazy vibe, you know what I mean? We got a big artist, Michael Tesha, the girl man. We got Fifi, the costume girl in our business. And you don't know, you understand? You just gotta get mask. Make sure you take a Michael Tesha video. Big vocalist, big singer, yeah? Mina, put our mic on us. Big take on the side. Follow stick take on it, yeah? Ready up!
Pickles the Gaijin.
Man.
Welcome to Soca in Japan.
Hey yo, it's yours truly Michael Tesha right now, bigging up Pickles the Gaijin. Yo, it's all about Soca in Japan. We here right now. Mass, come again. Well, look how the place on fire now. Pickles the Gaijin, big up yourself. Love.
Man.
Hey, shout out to Pickles the Gaijin.
Give me a spin, give me a spin now. Hot girl. Oh yeah.
Hello.
Pickles, they want.
Everything,
Which line is the jerk chicken?
Bridget in Japan, bonjour. I'm French girl and I tell you, you have to follow People the Gaijin. Allez, suivez People the Gaijin on YouTube and everywhere. I follow him in Japan. Oh, from Paris to Japan. Oh la la.
What's your boss? The movie guy. Now my dead friend. One up. Big boss. Put energy. Whole weekend. Energize the money. And you not stop. Yeah. We out here. JCC Carnival in Japan beer things. Me here as a little rough spectator. I can't afford this lifestyle. And people competing on. Yeah, vibes.
Come. Everybody find me on the side of the truck. Every color find me. Everybody come up from a circle around me. All the colors. Come in tight. Orange, blue, lilac. Top right the original.
Best late entry of the century. Braga. Not going no small fret, let me extend my apologies on a big fat with big flag going overhead like canopy. Rag give me back pocket with a white vest, sneakers and wallabies. Knife tips and tight pants, I never really rate none of these. I come from brass festival and from customs and from flour mills. Was a fed fire fed and licensing fed and them had a power pill. Everybody gunners and goofy bunchy, only pushing power still. If it's me alone, leave me with power on a hill. I come here for no stand up. I come to party with a hand up. So all soca people, put your true hand in the air. Your true hand in the air. Your true hand in the air. I never come here for no stand up. I come to party with my hand up. All soca people, put your true hand in the air. Your true hand in the air. All soca lovers do this. Show me some of your hand. Show me 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 your hand.
Worry lover, don't worry friend, don't worry partner, you go sitting up. Oh, get tired? We can take a jump up, right? There we go. Tell them we time coming back again. It's so much my heart good. I want to see everybody right now. Put your hand in the air like so. Put your hand in the air like so. 1, 2, so look forward. We shut down in the people place. Look away.
Let me down again. Yes, I'm depending on you, so you better come through this time. Please hear my cry, and if I let you down, my friend, it was a misunderstanding. So all I'm ready for granted. I promise from today I go jump like I never jump, way like I never wave, why like I never why before, just to show you I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You make me my life.
Yes, people, it's your boy the Trini Gladiator representing for Just Vibes family. We're in Japan with Pickles the Gaijin. We're in Tokyo, Carnival. First outside right now, Pickles the Gaijin. Check it out. Boom!
Boom, mad.
Orange horse. No, next section now. Give out two. Give out two now. It's orange. Orange side. Orange side. Orange side. All right, let me go. Point to the truck orange. Point to the traffic light. Point. Get ready. Point. Get ready. Point. Get ready. Point. Get ready. Ebony. Orange, put your hands in the air. Everybody. Wanna get ready? I'm not ready to go to let go. Everybody point to the drum. Ready? One. Ready?
Johnny Walker challenge.
Johnny Walker challenge.
Okay.
Come take a picture.
Jesus Christ. Oh, Gizmo. Drink the thing. I don't know what I want to know. What are they with this video?
Big on you again.
No, but
grab something.
Johnny Walker challenge. Johnny Walker challenge. Johnny Walker challenge. Johnny Walker challenge. Johnny Pickles. Johnny Walker challenge. Johnny Walker challenge. Johnny Walker challenge. Girl, I like you.
My birthday at the end of the month.
And what we celebrate now? What's the name, girl? Delia.
Delia, really. Oh, sorry.
From Barbados. She accepted the Johnny Walker challenge because she bad. And I'm afraid she, but I don't afraid she, and she don't afraid no fucking Johnny Walker. Come, let me go. Let me go, darling. Hey, don't run. Johnny Walker challenge. Johnny Walker
No, you can't get where you have to drink to buy. Johnny Walker challenge. What? So,
Shout out Pickles.
And shout out Johnny.
And shout out Johnny.
Johnny Walker
challenge.
Let's shout out Johnny, girl. Let's shout out Johnny.
What is going on? We here, we in Japan. We celebrating our big 30th, right? And you know what? Our good friend,
Once again, big up
Pickles,
everybody that's
pure fun.
man.
Big dance to that man.
Soca Weekend 2023.